Okay, here's another example of long division. This time I've got 47 into 120.32, or 120.32 divided by 47. We want to see how many 47s are in this number. First thing we're going to do, as I said in the last example, is we're going to put the decimal over the decimal if there is one here, so that we don't forget to do it at the end. Okay, so as remember, we're going to divide, then multiply, then subtract, then bring down, and we can do our rough work at the side if we need to. Okay, so our first thing we're going to do is we're going to divide. Okay, so our question is how many 47s are in 1? As we know, there's none. How many 47s are in 12? Oh, there's still none. And now we've got how many 47s are in 120. Now, you should be able to make a good estimate of that, especially when you know that 47 is close to 50. So if I count in 50s, I'll get roughly the right answer. And 2 50s make 100, so I can see I'm only going to get 2 of them. So I'm going to put my answer up here. I think there are 2. Now, next of all, I'm going to multiply. And I can either do my multiplying over here, 47 times 2, or I can do it straight into the sum to get the same answer. You can see I'm going to go 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, and 1 is 9. As you can see, it's the same answer. Still 47 times 2. Next of all, I'm going to subtract. And I'm going to use my regrouping there to do my subtracting. And I've got 26 left over, 26 remainder. And remember, I always check that when I do my takeaway sum, that the answer to the takeaway is smaller, which it is, which tells me that I'm right. Next of all, I'm going to bring down. Now we've 2 numbers to bring down, but we can only bring down 1 at a time. So we're going to bring down the 3. And that gives us a new sum. Our new sum is how many 47s are in 263. Now, once again, I don't know my 47 times tables, but 47 is close to 50. I can count in 50s, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. So I might think, okay, well, maybe there'll be around 5 or 6 perhaps. So over here I can do some rough work. I can test what 5 of them are. There we go, 235. Maybe I'll just check 6. I kind of know it won't go in, but I'll just double check. Now, and I can see that 5 47s was 235, and 6 of them is 282, which is too big, isn't it? So my answer is 5. So when I do my dividing, 47 into 263, it goes 5 times. And I don't need to multiply it again, because it's over here, 235. But if I was doing it straight on the page, I'd be doing the same thing. 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20, and 3 is 23. Same answer. Next of all, that's my multiplying done. Next of all, I'm going to subtract my takeaway sum. And I can see my answer is smaller than 47. Okay. Now I've got to bring down the next number, which is the 2, 282. And my new question, start from the beginning with my dividing, is how many 47s are in 282? And if I look over here at my rough work, 2 47s, 5 47s, 6 47s, I can see I'd already worked it out earlier on. 6 47s was exactly 282. So this part is easy. I already know now that it goes 6 times. When I multiply, I could multiply it here, but I can see it's exactly 282. Next of all, I do my subtraction. and I can see I'm left with no remainder. So 47 goes into 120.32, exactly 2.56 times, and no remainder.